Decoy signs are often used to communicate information to people. Usually that's done with text. So we'll show you several ways of adding text to your decoy sign today. So with LED Vision open, right-click on LED 1, say Normal Page. This black square is a preview of what will appear on the sign. So we'll right-click on the page, say Multi-Line Text Window. I find that one to be the most user-friendly and easiest way to add text, even if there is just a single line. So your text will appear inside this blue box. If you want it full screen, you can drag it to be full screen. I'll just click this blue button in the middle here to automatically and quickly maximize it. Right-click on Multi-Line Text Window. If we say New Multi-Line Text, it'll open this dialog box where we can start to type, or else we can copy and paste some information here. So I'll just type in a few things here, maybe a list of sponsors, A, B, C, D, E, F, sponsor, C, D, E. So inside here we can highlight and change the size independently of our text. We can change the font type, make it bold. This first box here is the color. Usually with an LED screen it's good to keep a black background, and colors like yellow or green tend to appear good on a LED sign like ours. So yellow, green, maybe we'll make the sponsor, the heading good and bold. You can also use the arrow key to flip through the different sizes. You also see a preview up here on the left of how it'll look on the sign. So I'll click down until it fills the screen. Looks like font 24 or 28, so I'll hit enter to save that. We'll maybe increase the size of these some. So it's just like any other word editing program that you can highlight and modify your text in this page. So we will hit save here, and then we will hit the X to close out of that. Now we've added that multi-line text. By default, if it will not fill the page on the first screen, it'll cycle into a second page. So we can see the page count here 2. We put in enough information that it will take 2 pages to display it all. One option I like to use is the scroll up button right here. If we hit scroll up, the information will just scroll past, almost like movie credits with a similar effect. That way you can get it all on one page and it just scrolls past smoothly. So if we have that option checked, the scroll speed is adjusted down here. I find it's a little nicer to use the by time option here. It gives you a little more finer adjustment. So now it's in 25 points per second. Maybe if I wanted it a little faster, I'll change this to 40. Now I can see it going past a little faster, maybe a little faster yet, maybe 55. So you can see it scroll past. We'll hit save on this, always a good idea. So we'll save this one as text. If you need to go back in and edit the information that you've entered into your multi-line text window, click the edit button right here. It'll reopen this dialog box so you can add another sponsor or similar. Hit save, hit close, and it'll update. If you watched our other videos on how to connect with your sign, you'll already be connected. So hit the upload, right click, publish current program. You'll see it upload quickly over Wi-Fi, and now it's playing on the sign. Here we can see the results of the video we just uploaded. The text is scrolling past just as we programmed.